Mukali for KTN News.
Now, with most parts of the country receiving normal rains, farmers have shifted to the planting season for various food crops. Now, while the rains are welcomed, farmers have expressed their concerns about the upcoming harvest due to challenges such as the presence of fake and shortage of seeds and fertilizers. Now, this uncertainty has many contemplating reverting to conventional farming practices to avoid heavy losses incurred unknowingly when using fake products. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Mark Chelimo, a farmer from Njoro, Nakuru County, is in deep thought as he supervises workers planting maize on his farm. One of his biggest fears is whether the fertilizer he just used is genuine or fake. Drawing from his years of experience, he tries to verify its authenticity by dissolving it in water, observing its behavior closely.
Sijui kama ni ukweli, mbolea kweli ni sawa ama ni mbaya. Lakini mimi naweka imani na nategemea Mungu na mvua tu inyeshe. Hiyo ngine Mungu saidia.
Kwa mbolea ya kawaida hata ukishika tu na mkono tu saa hiyo umefungua, unakuta inayeyuka kwa mkono. Lakini sasa hii hata ukiweka kwa maji unakuta inatoka gozi ya juu, lakini ndani ni mawe.
According to the farmers, this season's farming is mainly a trial and error affair, given the current trend. They have pointed an accusing finger at the Ministry of Agriculture for what they said is failing to be hands-on during the entire distribution process.
So supplier alipeana sample yake, ikapima akaambia huko sawa, enda peana. Akaenda kupika kona, akafanya mambo yake na akatuma kwa wakulima huko. So wakulima wakapata vitu vingine, serikali wakapata kitu kingine.
Farmers have also lamented over the shortage of certified seeds, with many camping outside the Kenya Seed Company for hours only to be issued, with varieties meant for other regions.
Mbegu haipatikani. Sana tunatumia 6213, sasa hii ukienda kwa maduka hakuna. Sasa inabidi utumie mbegu aina zingine.
Lakini because wale wengine wauzaji wanajua Kenya Seed hawana hiyo, watamwaga yao kama hiyo tu. Because these people are very clever. Wanafanya the same packaging kama ya Kenya Seed.
Farmers have been urged to embrace conventional farming, to avoid producing crops with dangerous chemicals and to prevent losses resulting from the use of fake agricultural products. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.
Now, heavy rains hit the United Arab Emirates, leading to floods.